Good morning to all of you, my dear friends. Today we will see the medicine Colocynth. This medicine belongs from vegetable kingdom and this is proved by Dr. Hahnemann. And this is not very hot, not very chilly, neither hot nor chilly. So let's see the symptoms. First see the mental symptoms. Aversion to talk, disinclined to answer the question. Extremely irritable, impatient, becomes angry when questioned. Peculiar type of irritability in which the things are thrown out of one's hand. Mortification caused by offending. Anger with indignation. Vertigo when turning head to the left. Greatly affected by the misfortune of others as well as her own. Depressed, joyless, nothing seems right to him. Angered with indignation, also bad effects from vomiting and diarrhea. Dullness of head and giddiness at the beginning of colic. So, patient does not want to talk and extremely irritable in nature, and mortification is seen, very anger, and anger with indignation is seen. Vertigo, especially when turning head to the left side, and greatly affected by the misfortune of others. So these all about mental symptoms of Colocynth. Next we will see the physical guiding symptoms. First, sudden pain. Pains which are often of neuralgic character, coming on suddenly and after a while disappearing as suddenly as they had come, sudden, atrocious cramping, grasping, tearing, and cutting pain. Next is vertigo. Vertigo when turning head to the left with confusion and pressing pain in the orbit. Dullness and giddiness at the beginning of colic. Next is left-sidedness. It is a left-sided medicine, affects the left side generally and then the right side. Next is headache. Violent periodical or intermittent headache is seen. Dysmenorrhea. In colic, intestines feel squeezed between stones. Dysmenorrhea with violent paroxysmal pain, which is ameliorated by hard pressure and heat. Rheumatic trouble. Neuralgic affections and rheumatic troubles affecting the joints, aggravated by motion and better by rest and pressure. Colic, agonizing pain in abdomen causing patient to bend double with restlessness, twisting and turning. Sciatica, crampy pain in hip as though screwed in a vice, lies upon the affected side. Shooting pain. Shooting pains are like lightning shocks radiating down the entire limb. Left hip, left thigh, left knee into the popliteal fossa. Affections from anger with indignation, colic, vomiting, diarrhea, and suppression of menses. So these all about physical guiding symptoms. Next, we will see the colic symptoms of Colocynth. Colocynth is very useful medicine for colic. So the colic is generally caused due to anger, vexation, exposure to cold, indignation and suppression of menses, vomiting without nausea, nausea arising from the stomach, grasping pain and cramps in the stomach at night relieved by erection. Colicky pain is felt in the whole abdomen. Colicky pains are very terrible, agonizing in nature, compelling the patient to bend double. Abdomen is very sensitive to touch. Pains come in intermittent attacks. Abdomen very sensitive to touch. Pain becomes very severe every few minutes, and colicky pain may be attended with neuralgia. So this is the symptoms of Colocynth colic, and the aggravation is seen from touch, by motion, indignation, anger at night and in the evening, mortification by eating and drinking, and the amelioration occurs from hard pressure, by heat, by bending double, discharge of flatus, warmth, Complementary of Colocynth is Merck Sol, and the medicine is used usually in 200 potency. Then it works wonderfully. If there is physical symptoms, you can use in 30th potency, and if there is mental symptoms is present, then you can use 200 potency. So this is all about Colocynth. We will see the next medicine in next class. Bye bye.